We are a social enterprise producing clean cooking technologies. We recycle mechanic waste and scrap metal to produce clean cookstoves. But also as fuel alternative, we recycle waste of food and agri-waste to produce carbonized briquettes. The vision is to offer a full cycle of clean cooking. And we are based in Turkana County, one of the county in Kenya where 97% of the population are using firewood with open fire, which exposing the majority of them to a high rate of deforestation, but also the high rate of household air pollution, which according to the report of the government is killing over 21,560 people annually. So our main purpose is to transform cooking activities into an exciting experience, especially for women and girls who are engaged in intense cooking activities in the community. We have witnessed girls dropping out of schools because of missing schools 3 to 4 days just to look for firewood. And we have seen women spending over 5 hours in the bush looking for firewood with a lot of risk of getting raped or many other risks in a county like Turkana with a lot of scorpion and snakes and everything. So our Green at Mind is coming in the right moment to provide an appropriate solution to 97% of the population who are still looking on how to get access to improved and affordable cooking technologies. The main problem we have been facing as a Green at Mind Limited was the collection of waste in an appropriate way. Before we started, we were not well structured until we joined the SHIFT program with the KCIC, where we went through intense program of training to restructure our business model. And now currently we have a well-structured model to manage what we had as challenge before, especially in collecting waste. The main issue was in terms of logistic, for us to carry waste from the place we are collecting them up to our production site. Now, to make it easy, we managed to organize a group of waste collectors, empowering young people who have no jobs. Now they are the one in the middle of the supply chain collecting waste, and then they supply it to us, and then now we are the one buying from them to recycle. The next challenge we had was also in terms of registration. We were working without being registered officially, and through the support from the SHIFT program, we have been registered. Currently, we are fully registered. We have a website which is operational, and we are now well branded. It's because of we have joined the KCIC program, especially under the SHIFT program. Those are the two major challenges we are facing. KCIC with the SHIFT program has been of great support to Green at Mind. And I can say what we are today, it's because of the program. Without SHIFT program, we shouldn't be in the level we are currently. We receive a lot of business coaching sessions. Also, we are being supported in terms of legal compliance, like what I mentioned. But then we are also being supported to acquire the machines we need and the equipment we need to improve the quality of our product. So KCIC for us is not just providing technical support, but also KCIC is like a donor for our project and all our company activities. And also KCIC is supporting us also in terms of fundraising by connecting us with investors and any other funding opportunities that can boost our production and also our business. So it's a relationship in terms of technical support, in terms of funding, and also in terms of networking opportunities.